We have mutton biryani, we have mutton kosher. आवाज स्टार्ट करते হবে আমাকে। We've tried out Arsalan, we've tried out Aur, we've tried out the very popular Dada Bodi, we've tried out biryanis from Chacha Jan, Dil Desi as well as Elahi. Just when we thought we are done, we get a lot of recommendations on Foodspa from its members about a place called The Bapi at Barakpur. We were very inquisitive. Honestly speaking, I didn't know about this place, but with the number of people who've been recommending this to us over the last 2 weeks. So here we are today, off to Barakpur to try out The Bapi and give you a review over how this place was. Let's see. We are off now. It was a very impromptu plan. I think an hour back we didn't know that we were going to go to The Bapi. Very excited about this place because a lot of you have had a lot of good things to say about its portion size, its quality as well as its quantity and the price too. So I thought what better way to find out than to go and experience it firsthand. So we are ready with the team today and we're going to be reaching there I think in an hour. It's about an hour and 10 minutes drive from Kolkata. দাদা ডি বাপি বিরিয়ানির দোকান কোথায়? হ্যাঁ, খেতে মজা? হ্যাঁ, থ্যাংক ইউ। তোমার নাম কি? সৌরভ। সৌরভ, থ্যাংক ইউ সৌরভ। Right guys, so we are back to Barakpur and today's location is going to be The Bapi Biryani. So it's a very popular place, like I've already told you whenever we were here for the vlog at Dada Bodi. This was the place which was recommended to us. And after the post made by Snehashish today, we had no options but to come here. So Snehashish was the one who made the post on Foodspa today, asking which is a better place, Dada Bodi or The Bapi. And Snehashish, তোর পোস্টে Shinchon comment করেছিল, আমাকে ট্যাগ করেছিল। Shinchon, you can come here. So Shinchon is here too.
Hi.
Shinchon, you made the comment.
Yes.
You got 20 reactions.
Yes.
And I think within 2 hours we are at Bapi, The Bapi.
And it was a sudden plan.
It was a sudden plan. We have no chill in life. Let's quickly get inside and let's see and find out for ourselves which is better and give you a review. Chalo. And we have in front of us chicken biryani, mutton chop as well as chicken chop and salad and soft drinks too. So what I'm going to do is I am going to taste the biryanis right in front of you and I'm going to give you a review like it has been the trend throughout the other places as well. So আমি হাত দিয়ে শুরু করছি, আমি চামচ ইউজ করবো না, তাই তো? করবো না তো? রাইট, একটু পাশে চলে আসো যাতে তোমরা দেখতে পাবে। রাইসের কোয়ান্টিটি অনেক অনেক বেশি। এবার এটা আমার জন্য স্পেশালি কিনা সেটা আমি জানি না, এটা তোমরা নিজেরা এসে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স করতে পারবে। So this is the chicken biryani like I've mentioned. What they've done is they've given a piece of the chicken chop. As you can see, this is the same, right? So chicken biryani te ora basically chicken chop দেয়। This is the aloo and the piece is huge. যেটা তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ বেশ বেশ বড় সাইজ। তো যেটা আমি করবো লাইক অলওয়েজ, আমি এখান থেকেই ট্রাই করে নিচ্ছি। The chicken piece is pretty soft. The rice is pretty masaledar. And this is my first bite. বিরিয়ানিটা খুবই ভালো খেতে। It's not dry, it's very rich. I like the biryani to be just like this. আলু যেহেতু এটা দিয়ে আছে, I'll try the next one. সব থেকে আগে everyone is very excited to know the size of this. অনেক রুমার্স আমরা শুনেছি যে ওরা 210 গ্রাম মাটন দেয়, This is the size of the mutton. Wow. যেভাবে মেকআপ আর্টিস্টরা করে হাতের সামনে দিয়ে. So this is the size of the mutton. I'll break open a little bit from here. হালকা আলু নেবো এখান থেকে. And we are good to go. Ready? Honestly এই জিনিসটা কিন্তু খুবই 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 ভালো খেতে. এবার আমি ট্রাই করবো দ্য মাটন কষা. এটা তো পিসটা ভালো না, so I'll pick up one soft piece from here. Mutton piece. This was a little tasteless. I expected a lot of spice in this. This is not all that good, so I would not recommend you the kosher. Finally, the chicken chop with a little gravy and a little rice. It was our final bite. Again, I expect my chop to be very rich. This is a little a diluted version of the chop. Not the best recommendation, definitely. I've had better chops, better koshas, but the mutton biryani is amazing. I don't know whether it will taste the same when it is taken home and home delivered. I'll try that as well and I'll try to give you a review. But if you're sitting down and eating mutton biryani, this is an amazing option. You should definitely go for it. বাপিদা, ওয়েলকাম টু ফুড স্পা। একটু বলো জায়গাটার হিস্ট্রির ব্যাপারে, কিরকম করে তুমি শুরু করেছো?
শুরু তো করেছি আমি হাইওয়ে, ওয়ার্ল্ডস গেট হাইওয়ে মোড়ের মধ্যে ফুটপাথে। ওইখান থেকে শুরু করেছি 2005-এ।
2005-এ, আচ্ছা।
আর 2005-এর পরে রাস্তার থেকে যখন বললো যে রাস্তা ছেড়ে দিতে হবে, তখন আমি 2012-তে এখানে চলে আসলাম।
আচ্ছা।
2012 সাল থেকে এখানে বিরিয়ানির দোকান প্রতিষ্ঠা করলাম ভালো পাকাপোক্তভাবে, এটা কিনে নিয়ে আর কি। তারপর থেকে চলছে। আর মেন মাটনের দোকান আছে পাশেই আর কি।
তোমার নিজস্ব মাটনের দোকান?
নিজস্ব।
আমি শুনতে পেরেছি, আমার বন্ধুরা বলেছে যে তোমার মাটনের শপ ছিল, আর ওখান থেকে তোমার জায়গাটা এতটা পপুলার যে তুমি সব থেকে বেশি বড় মাংসর পিস 210 গ্রাম, এটা রুমার কিনা তুমি আমাদেরকে ক্লিয়ার করে দাও।
আজও হ্যাঁ, বেশি ছাড়া কম না।
210 গ্রাম
বেশি ছাড়া কম না।
আচ্ছা, এটা সব থেকে বড় তাহলে আমরা যা এখন অবধি ট্রাই করেছি।
মেন ওই তো মাটনটাই আমার মেন। ব্যারাকপুর সুপার মিট সব দোকানের নাম।
আচ্ছা,
তো মাটনের দোকানও আমার খুব নাম করা দোকান।
ওকে ওকে, এটা আশেপাশেই আছে?
হ্যাঁ, পাশেই বিরিয়ানির দোকানের পাশেই দোকান।
গ্রেট। চলো তোমার কারখানার ব্যাপারে তুমি বলছিলে, আগে ওটা দেখে নি। তো তোমার এইখানেই সব কিছু প্রিপারেশন হয় তুমি বলছো?
হ্যাঁ, এটা কারখানা, ওইটা দোকান।
আচ্ছা। Thanks to Bapida, we are here at his factory where the biryani is being prepared live on the spot. And this place is so hot that I cannot, আমি কুর্তা পরে ডেফিনেটলি বেশিক্ষণ থাকতে পারবো না। বাট থ্যাঙ্কস টু বাপিদা এখানেই আছে, উনি আমাদেরকে একটা ট্যুর করালেন নিজের সিক্রেট জায়গায়। সো উই ক্যানট থ্যাঙ্ক হিম এনাফ। আর এইরকমভাবে বিরিয়ানিগুলো বানানো হচ্ছে। বিরিয়ানির টেস্ট যেমন তোমাকে বললাম, বিরিয়ানির টেস্ট খুবই ভালো। ইউ শুড ডেফিনেটলি ট্রাই দ্য বিরিয়ানি। হ্যাঁ, কাঠের রান্না, অ্যাজ হি সেড, কাঠের, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট গিভস, মানে বিয়ে বাড়িতে যে আমরা রান্নাগুলো খাই, that is the exact taste which you will get. The kosher mangsho definitely did disappoint me a little bit, but if you are a fan of biryani, jotota soft the aloo was very soft, and this is the secret, this is the workshop which they have, and this is how they are making the entire process. That was our experience at Deebapi. Apart from the biryani, what I personally really liked is the behavior of the owner. He was pretty welcoming, and he was very kind enough to take us to his workshop to show us how whatever the nitty-gritties is happening inside the workshop. It was a quadrant, it was so hot, but that was expected. But we had a great time shooting today, and it definitely made our day a very special festive day on Eid. We had a great time. So what we're going to do is we've done a little bit of a takeaway. So we are going to hand it over to Shoptuk, and we'll try to get a review from him as well, and we'll try to attach that to the video. So this was our experience at Barakpur. this time around, our second coming to Barakpur at the Bapi Biryani. The biryani was very good. It's definitely worth a try. The other side dishes were not very good. The chap as well as the kosher disappointed. So I would suggest you avoid those things and just go buy the biryani. It's pretty good. You taste it, you let me know how that tastes. Until next time, we'll just wait for the ambulance to pass. Yeah. So yes, until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Barakpur. So I have D Bapi Biryani with me, which I have been trying to get my hands on for a very long time and has been in my bucket list. So today I am going to show you. This is D Bapi Mutton Biryani. This is the quantity, which is pretty humongous. You can see the mutton piece, which is pretty big. One aloo. That is a speciality of Kolkata biryani. And you can clearly see that I have not yet finished pouring the rice out of the box. And now it is completely clean. So I am going to keep the box aside. And you can see the rice, the mutton and the aloo. This is the normal plate of biryani. It does not consist of any egg. So rice is pretty long. The spices are equally balanced and are pretty fine to me. The aloo is really soft, I must say. And let's try dig in the mutton. Wow, it's like seriously just coming off from the bone. No trouble at all. Huge piece of mutton, cooked perfectly. You can see it is just coming off from the bone just with a simple touch. It's perfectly cooked. So I'm going to give D Bapi Biryani a perfectly thumbs up, and everyone must try it out. They have huge quantity. I am not sure that I'll be able to finish it off by myself. I really need some help. Let's hope that I don't need any help.
Right guys, so that was Shoptak and myself with D Bapi Biryani. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do share it with your friends and let us know in the comment section how your experience was. Cheers.